Hello, I'm Shailen Bhatt, Federal Highway Administrator, and I'm excited to share with you that we've opened applications for up to $100 million in funding from the EV Reliability and Accessibility Accelerator to repair and replace existing but non-operational electric vehicle chargers. This is a critical step to ensure that when you pull up to one of the more than 141,000 EV chargers currently accessible, you'll know you can plug it in, charge up, and get to your destination. The Reliability and Accessibility Accelerator is part of the Biden-Harris administration's $7.5 billion investment in EV charging. This complements hundreds of billions of dollars in private sector investment. Combined, we will accelerate the electrification of transportation and support good-paying jobs across the country. Jobs for workers to install, maintain, and repair EV infrastructure, and make our current charging network more reliable. At the same time, we grow the network to meet the demands of people across our country. The bottom line is that charging your electric vehicle should be as easy and convenient as filling up a gas tank. And this investment, thanks to President Biden, will bring us one step closer. For more information about the Reliability and Accessibility Accelerator and how to apply, please visit the FHWA website at the link below. Together, we're building a convenient, accessible, reliable national EV charging network, one that is made in America.